and now you've disappeared somewhere, like out of space. You found some better place, and I miss you. Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you, yeah.
All right, guys, it's that time again, and I'm back with some more Rare Spares product news hitting the shelves at the end of this video, and it's all to do the Holden Commodore VN models. Now, we've got the bonnet protectors and the headlight protectors. The bonnet protectors are for VN Commodores only, and the headlight protectors are for VN and VQ. So if you want to grab these right now, it's a perfect thing to have in the front of your car to make sure you avoid stone chips. If you're freshly painted it, I'd highly recommend getting it. It also looks fantastic in-store and online. Rarespares.net.au. Tell them Michael sent you. Get these on your VN today.